Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I will be showing you that how you can fix memory dump error for Roblox. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So this error may be occurring because there is less memory available for Roblox to work. So we will show you that how you can clear the memory in backend so the Roblox can work smoothly. So first thing that you need to do is just press the Windows key on your keyboard and then press the R button, and this will open this run. You should see this on your screen. Now here you will have to type percentage and then type in local app data and then again percentage. Once you have typed this, click this OK button and this will open a folder for you. This is the folder which includes the files that are not useful and are temporary. So what you'll have to do is scroll down, and when you see our folders, here you can see that I have Roblox. Just delete this folder. You have to move it to bin. You can just drag and drop it to this bin icon, or just click on this bin icon or right click and then press this bin button, and you can see that this is deleted. So this have cleared some memory for Roblox to work. And if this still doesn't work for you, what you can do is just again press Windows and R on your keyboard, and then instead of going to local app data, just type in percentage, and then you can see I already have typed in temp. So just type in percentage temp percentage and then click OK button. Here you can see some of the more unnecessary files. You can just press Ctrl A and then press the delete button on your keyboard, and this will delete all these files for you. Here you can see that 6 GB of space has been created. You can just skip these files which cannot be deleted. You can see that 1500 useless files has been deleted, and this has cleared a lot of space which will help Roblox to work smoothly. And after these files are deleted, your Roblox should work smoothly. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.